Hey everyone, welcome back to Uncle Sam Trading channel. Today we're diving deep into a strategy that's been making waves in the trading world. Candlestick patterns. You've probably seen gurus all over the internet and YouTube claiming these patterns can make you a millionaire overnight. Well, on this channel we don't just take their words for it, we put these strategies to the test. Well, you already know, we're all about cutting through the hype and getting to the cold hard facts. That's why I've taken this classic candlestick pattern indicator and turned it into a fully automated trading bot right here on TradingView. No emotion, no bias, just pure data-driven results. And guess what? I'm sharing this trading strategy bot with you absolutely free. You can find the link in the description below. Now, if you're looking for strategies that have been extremely tested and refined with all the bells and whistles, then you've got to check my website at unclesamtrading.com. There you'll find my personal strategies that I've developed over years of experience. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel and helping us build this amazing community. So before we dive into the strategy, I want to give a shout out to the awesome all candlestick patterns indicator on TradingView. This indicator is actually a treasure trove of candlestick wisdom, identifying a wide array of patterns with incredible accuracy. It was honestly a huge inspiration for this strategy and I highly recommend checking it out. Now let's break down this candlestick patterns strategy. We've tested it on the BTC USDT 1 hour time frame using the BitGet spot chart, but this strategy works on any market and any time frame, just adjust the settings. In simple, this strategy identifies a whole range of candlestick patterns: hammer, bullish and bearish engulfing patterns, dojis, morning star, and you name it. Whenever the bot spots one, it automatically enters a trade based on the predicted price direction. So no strategy is perfect and you'll see some losing trades, but the key here is to have more winners than losers, and this strategy does just that. Now let's explore the strategy settings. First up, stop loss and take profit. Here you can customize these percentages for both long and short trades. Want a tighter stop loss of 5%? Go for it. Prefer a wider take profit of 75%? No problem. This is exactly where you tailor this strategy to your risk tolerance. Next, we have the moving average filter. This filters actually help us identify the overall trend and avoid trade against it. You can choose your preferred MMA type, SMA, AMA, VWMA, you name it, and adjust the length. We've also got some cool risk management options like the MA risk exit. When enabled, this closes trades if the price closes against the trend for a certain number of candles. This adds an extra layer of protection to your capital. Now, the fun and awesome part: choosing your patterns. You can enable or disable specific patterns based on your preferences. Maybe you only want to trade bullish engulfing patterns, or perhaps you're a fan of a hammer. The choice is completely yours. Now let's see how this strategy performs in backtesting. Alright, let's dive into the juicy details of how the strategy performed in backtesting. First things first, we've got a net profit of over $4,000. That's a pretty decent chunk of change, wouldn't you say? But profit alone does not tell the whole story. We need to look at other key metrics to get a clearer picture. This strategy boasts a percent profitable at 42%. That might not seem super high at first glance, but remember, we're not aiming for 100% win rate. That's unrealistic in the world of trading. What matters is that we have more winning trades than losing trades. And that 42% indicate we are on the right track. Next up, we have the profit factor. This bad boy sits at a solid 1.54. What does that mean? It means for every dollar we risk, we made $1.54. That's a fantastic return on investment. Now, no strategy is without drawdowns. The maximum drawdown here, as you can see, is 34%. That means at its worst point, the strategy experienced a 34% decline from its peak. Now that might sound a bit scary, but it's important to remember that drawdowns are a normal part of trading. What matters is how quickly the strategy recovers from those drawdowns. And this one seems to bounce back quite nicely. Finally, we have the average number of trades, which is 134. This tells us that the strategy takes a decent number of trades, providing ample opportunities to capitalize on those candlestick patterns. Overall, these backtesting results paint a promising picture. We've got a profitable strategy with a good profit factor, a manageable maximum drawdown, and a decent number of trades. Of course, Past performance is not guarantee of future results, but it gives us a solid foundation to build up on. So looking at the equity curve, it's important to understand how a strategy handles both winning and losing trades. This one seems pretty resilient with a smooth equity curve and manageable drawdowns. This is a good sign of robust strategy. Now, how can we make this strategy even better? We could add a volume filter to confirm breakouts or incorporate other indicators like MACD, RSI, or further refined entry and exit signals. I really encourage you to take this bot and play around with it and see if you can come up with your own unique enhancement. Please share your findings in the comments below. All right, now I would like to answer some of your questions. What are the best time frames to use this strategy on? Well, it depends on your trading style. For day trading, shorter time frames like 15 minutes or 1 hour might be suitable. For swing trading, longer time frames like 4 hours or even daily charts could even work better. Question: can I use the strategy for both long and short trades? Absolutely. This strategy is designed to identify both bullish and bearish patterns. Question: how can I avoid overtrading with this bot? It's crucial to set proper risk management parameters and avoid constantly tweaking the settings. Remember, patience is the key in trading. Guys, I love hearing from you. Please don't be shy. Let's have a question, create a discussion, and learn from each other. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to download the free strategy bot from the link in the description below. And don't forget to check out my website, unclesamtrading.com, for more exclusive strategies. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Happy trading, everyone, and see you in the next video.